now, today we're talking about lilyhard.com. Lily, L-I-L-Y hard.com is a creative and strategic digital marketing agency, and what they do is they advertise for brand, increase in brand awareness, and help ensure that they increase their sales, while on the other hand, people help them in promoting the products or brands will actually get paid. Now, as said, these guys have two possibilities, which is number one, you can advertise with them, and number two, you can promote for them. So to promote for them, they would refer to you as an influencer. So they understand the fact that you can be an influencer on different perspectives, on different platforms. So these guys pay you for advertising their products and services on blogs, on websites, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, even on WhatsApp, and they pay for that. So you get paid for every referral that we generate through the links that will be given to you, and it is so easy to use. All you have to do is to go to the three dots by the right hand side and register. Now the registration form is easy to fill, and once you register, you can log in. I'm logging in now because I've registered before. So I love this platform, but this pop-up that I'm seeing here is a major turn off for me, because they charge 1,000 naira before you can actually start working with them. Sincerely, I think that is wrong, and they need to check their policy. If they are making enough money, they are doing enough, they are getting enough gigs from advertisers, then why are they charging publishers? Why are they charging influencers for using their platform? It doesn't make sense to me at all. They said you are required to make a payment of 1,000 naira only to activate your account. Tax are enabled upon confirmation of your payment. Please make the required payments to the following account. So it's as if they think once you make the payment and they give you task, that you start making money. So what if you don't make money from the task given to you? It means the 1,000 is gone. So guys, I think whoever knows them should get across to them and make them understand the fact that this is absolutely wrong. Your platform is an advertising platform. Now you're supposed to make money from your advertisers, and once you make enough money from your advertisers, you pay the influencers that you are using, and everything flows. Not that you make money from advertisers, then you make 1,000 from influencers, and when influencers also take gigs from your platform, you also charge them for commission. So it doesn't make sense. So if you have a WhatsApp account, you have Facebook account, YouTube account, go to the video section below and to see the link on how to register on this platform if you're interested. Well, I've been hearing that they pay well for those who have been using the platform. So it all depends on you, what you want to do. Once you log into your account, you click on Earn as an influencer. You scroll down, you'll see WhatsApp TV influencer, you see YouTube influencer, you see Instagram influencer, Facebook influencer, Twitter influencer. So you can actually just become an influencer and you start making money from them. So, but on the other hand, if you want to advertise with them, click on advertise with us and let's see the options that they have there. So to advertise with them, you need to also sign up on the platform, and you tell them what to do, how you do, and your budget on each ad. So they say click here to see a showcase of some of the projects we have promoted, so innovative demand, so lots of things. We always try to understand customers' expectations, and so on and so on and so on. So the basic one is 6,000 naira, so over 10,000 views. Then duration, graphic promotion, and all. So video promotion starter is 12,000, 18,000. So these guys are making money. I wonder why they are charging publishers to use their platform. Anyways, if you are watching our video for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe. We are always here to talk about money, talk about finance, talk about loans. We do product and investment reviews. Thanks for watching our videos once again, and bye for now.